وَمَا كَانَ رَبُّكَ نَسِيًّا. And your Lord doesn't forget. If they turn out the lights, يُرِيدُونَ لِيُطْفِئُوا نُورَ اللَّهِ بِأَفْوَاهِهِمْ وَاللَّهُ مُتِمُّ نُورِهِ وَلَوْ كَرِهَ الْكَافِرُونَ. They wish to extinguish the light of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will preserve His light, even if they hate it. And there is this concept that we find present in the Sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that if you can't pay someone's debt off, then at least advocate on behalf of them so that maybe the debtor will release his debt, or maybe you can ease his anxiety while he is in debt. If you can't cure someone who is sick, then at least care for them while they are sick. Give them compassion and give them support and give them your presence, even if you can't give them a cure to the disease that they are ailing from. If you can't free the captive, at least feed the captive.